Hi! In front of me is Honor X6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off simple mode. Firstly, just open settings and scroll all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on System and Updates. Following that, select Simple Mode section and click on Enable at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, Easy Mode is now enabled. If you wish to disable it, you can always do that by going into settings as well, but this time selecting Exit Simple Mode at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!